relation to the deportation flights, and this is something that I've been trying to get some information on. I share some of the concerns in relation to the limited information that we've received here. In my view, it is, look, we still haven't got an explanation, but some of the Garda numbers on the flights seems excessive. And look, I've done a brief, because a lot of the information is publicly available as to how many deportees were on each of the flights. For example, the South African flight, which cost €719,642, there was 133 gardaí on it. It's been reported publicly that there was only 63 individuals on that particular flight. It may also include children. Some of the other ones there, for example, Poland and Lithuania, again return 150,871. There was 113 individual or gardaí on that. It's been reported publicly that there was 33 people being deported on that particular flight, and the figures go right through. The flight to Georgia in November 2025, 230,000. 117 gardaí on it, 52 people being deported. There was 7 children reported on that flight as well. So look, I'm not saying, obviously security on any flight is paramount, but I don't think we've been given a rationale as to how those figures are arrived at. The department say any security costs are borne by the gardaí through Euro. That I think it is, but we need to get those figures, because there is concerns there, legitimate concerns, where communities are crying out for gardaí in their community, and then you see huge numbers, on some of these flights. So we need to get the full data.